Kartel himself get carried away in him funds them and endorse the fuckery. And that is what is happening to Kartel. We not say Kartel no great, you know. We not say Kartel no bad DJ, you know. We would love to see Kartel get a Grammy if it now go be a leather belt over other good artists. Gaza fans them go like a Kartel alone a good artist, or a Kartel alone deserve good things.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Nothing more. Lila Iké, Jessie, Royale and Keznamdi. Am I correct? Am I correct? Somebody tell me if I'm correct, you know. I'm not quite remember how much people, I don't want to left out nobody. Somebody talk to me. Correct, right? Alright. Personally, when I say some things now, and I'm going to one of the fans make me say, see? I never want Keznamdi to win. I don't have a problem with him winning, you know. But me never want Keznamdi to win. Me never want Kartel to win. Me never want Lila Iké to win. You know who me do want to win? Jessie Royale. Me just have to be honest. Me not come kiss nobody ass. Me and none of them are a friend. Me and nobody were nominated for Grammy and a friend. So it's not a friend thing. I'm just being honest. I never want Lila Iké to win. I never want Vybz Kartel to win. I never want Keznamdi to win. I don't know Martin Moore none at all. I hear budget talk about him and so I never want him win either. I didn't want Jessie Royale to win. Jessie Royale, I one problem I have with him. Him a Rasta and him did do a Santa Claus ads. And I know said that wrong. Somebody beat him, but other than that, me did want Jessie Royale win. Cause Jessie Royale actually have a hit song we play in a dance. And we actually really know Jessie Royale. Like musically and know him, who him is and everything. Keznamdi, I do music long time, we know him, but Keznamdi don't really have a dancehall hit yet or a reggae hit in our space. You understand what I say? So, me not have a problem with Keznamdi winning, don't get me wrong, you know. I don't have a problem with him winning, because he make me proud. When him go up on the stage, go say, when him win, and how him deal with it, make me very proud. So I don't have no problem with him winning. But my favorite to win was Jessie Royale. Then, I never want Kartel to win. Not because of Vybz Kartel. Not that Vybz Kartel is not talented. Not that Vybz Kartel isn't one of our biggest DJ. But I never want Kartel win because of Kartel fans them. Then, I never want Vybz Kartel to win because of Vybz Kartel fans them. Let me tell you something about life. You see in a life, when you want to achieve greatness, and when you want God to bless you, you know, if you want God to bless you, for shit from people. And also life work. Then, me can't just get up every day and I sing, say, more and win the lotto cars. That pussy over there and I like me and more. Shame me, man. Then I shame more and shame them with my. God will never give it to you. And even if God give it to you, take it away. Them ongo want Kartel for win because they want shit from Beanie Man, shit from Massacre, shit from Yellow Man, shit from everybody in the game. And I can't stand for that. I tell them all the while, you know. From before even Kartel come from jail, I tell them, say, listen, you see, Uno, and the way how Uno move, and Uno a fuck up Kartel. Kartel, Gaza fans them, and them a fuck up Kartel. Them bad energy, and them 18 mindset, and them bad mind ways of them have, and them a hold down Kartel. And sometimes, Kartel himself get carried away in him fans them, and endorse the fuckery. And that is what is happening to Kartel. We not say Kartel no great, you know. We not say Kartel no bad DJ, you know. We would have loved to see Kartel get a Grammy if it now go be a leather belt over other good artists. Gaza fans them going like a Kartel alone a good artist, or a Kartel alone deserve good things. And that's why I never want Kartel win. I can't be hypocrite and come tell you, oh, I was rooting for Kartel. No, the fuck I wasn't. I wasn't fucking rooting for Kartel win. I'm glad him no win. Because we wouldn't hear the end of it if him win. We wouldn't hear the end of it if him win. The amount of suck your mother you that hear. The amount of dead enough for dead. Ray. Pussy a gunshot phone the seat there. Ray. Nothing good will come out of their mouth. So just the truth. And the other hand now. Lila Iké now.
Foota the baddest. Yeah.
Lila Iké now.
Foota the baddest. Yeah.
Reason why I never want Lila Iké to win. Everybody's supposed to know this already. She disrespect the culture. She violate the culture. She openly come out and say, endorse that she a lesbian. Me still not forgive her for that yet. Zim, I tell her already, and I tell her again, until you come out and apologize to the culture for your utterance. As a female artist, so we look up to on a righteous level, apologize for your utterance and where you come push on the people then. Me nah forgive you. Me nah forgive you. Me no want you win nothing. Me no want nothing good happen for you in the music. Me no want your song them hit. Me no want you getting a record deal. Me no want nothing good happen to you until you come and apologize to the culture. Then, me I tell you, me you have to chat to me, you have to deal with me. And it shows that your team around you weak. I'm going to show you how weak Lila Iké and her team is. Zin, I want to listen to me good enough. Until she apologize for what she come say. And what she, you know see me post one girl in my story, right? I burn her out. Remember me and a girl and a friend, me don't know, and the girl say, she don't want she win nothing. Because she come out of straight big time so she a lesbian. That's why I know say some of the Rasta them, so-called Rasta them, can't tell me say them a Rasta. Because them still cool with Lila Iké after what she do, you can't be no real Rasta, you can't tell me nothing. If you still a put money in a Lila Iké pocket, if you still a tour with Lila Iké, if you still a play rhythm and bands and things with Lila Iké as a real Rasta man, you can't tell me say you're a Rasta. You can't tell me money you love and a Rasta thing you love. And money you love. Once you work for Lila Iké, after she do that, you can't tell me say you're a real Rasta. If your arms and glove are after that, and no ridicule her, and no beat her bad, make she go apologize so she do. You can't tell me say you're a Rasta. Not trick me, not chickens, not in this. Una rape Rasta thing. I'm going to show you why in my heart and my soul, me know say Lila Iké and her whole team weak. No realize it. We're going with Lila Iké and the Grammy. No, don't realize yet. We're going with Lila Iké and the Grammy. Lila Iké was the opening act for the Grammy Awards, right? Correct? Am I correct? Before I come talk about this thing, I call on my brethren when I value my opinion. Although I know what my opinion is going to be before I ask him. I still ask him. Because I youth to try to see the good through every bad situation. So I make sure I call him and ask him, when you think about Lila Iké and the Grammys? Then, him say exactly what I expect him to say. I expect him to put a plaster over it and cushion it for you. His thing was saying, we don't get to perform on the Grammys like that. So she have to grab the opportunity and go perform. While I understand what I say, I don't understand it. Because if you do anything to get on a certain platform, you are not eligible for all of our culture. Because our culture is rebellious. Our culture is righteous. Our culture is dominant on the path of righteousness. So if you're willing to crumble the standards of righteousness just to be accepted by the demons, I can't work with you. I cannot work with you. I not gonna accept you as a representative of the culture, of the righteous culture. Because even if you want to dibble and dabble in your personal life, when you go up on the platform, then you have to represent where you represent. You know, say, here's a Man U fan, but you got a match in a Chelsea jersey. Or you got a match in an Arsenal jersey. But I tell the people, them say he's a Man U fan. When them done stab you and kill you and tear off your head, what you gonna say? No make no sense. No, this is what I'm going to say. Lila Iké, my disclaimer is this. I do not hate you. I hate the things that you do. I hate your nonchalant behavior to what you did. I hate that you will not apologize to the same people them where you want to put up on a pedestal as the biggest thing. As long as you feel like you're bigger than the people them, well, listen and buy your music, I and you going to have a problem. And I wish the worst for your music as long as you don't respect who push up your music. And that is just me not being a hypocrite. I don't hate you though. I think you're a beautiful girl. I think you're very talented. But you violate it and you think it hard to say sorry. Anyway, I say that to say this. The opening act. Zine, the opening act of the Grammys, 2026 Grammys, is a Jamaican artist, Jamaican reggae artist, named Lila Iké. Now I'm going to ask the entire social media a question.
Foota the maddest. Yeah.
What about Lila Iké and her Grammy performance represented Jamaica? May I wait? Answer. Let me repeat the question. What about Lila Iké and her performance represented Jamaica or reggae music? Now, when me talk, people say I chat too much, I'm a bad mind. Oh, me say bad mind. When you bust in a reggae, you bust as a Jamaican, you get the biggest platform when you are go up on your life and you represent Jamaica in no way, shape or form. If you ask me, that is a sellout. No, she signed to RCA. Me hear say she signed to RCA. No. How can you sit down and let RCA or whosoever encourage you then to dress like that, sing like that, operate like that, which is in no shape or form representing your culture or where you're from? Not even your hairstyle. Them make you straighten out your hair. Lila Iké always have a little hairstyle that make you think she a Rasta or she have the Rasta vibe there. She not even pin on the little Jamaica flag on the coat. A fur coat and put her in a Patti LaBelle dress. And she didn't even sing, "Tell you where I'm coming from. Oh, coming from." She not even sing piece of the song which she assassin. That's why I tell Assassin say a waste of time, should I take her off my song and sing it himself or put somebody else on it? How can you be the representative of reggae? We get the big stage to perform, Zine, and you're gonna sing R&B and blues? What you mean? You're a reggae artist, what you mean? You represent Jamaica, not even one Rasta band for your hand, never one of them look a beaded something in a Rasta. Not even one of this in a Jamaica color. And if you laugh with you, Lila. Lila Iké, me to laugh with you. Me to laugh with you. Lila Iké don't just like that on a regular day. That big old fur coat then I represent the Caribbean. That I represent winter in America. Then you cream your ear or steam it up in a one so. You make up everything. You dress fill it with some shiny sitting. You know wear them something there. So how you wear that? Go represent Jamaica on the biggest stage. Who you take feed there? Usain Bolt could have go run in 100 meters in American colors. Would I accept that? Would we accept that? Just, sometimes they say me chat too much, but just tell me if me I chat too much or if me I make sense. Yet, Lila Iké, if nobody now want to tell you, you disgrace Jamaica. All who want to kiss your ass and act like a something bit, you disgrace Jamaica. Me disappointed in you, fuck. Now, it make me wonder if the only reason why you were chosen to perform at the Grammys is because you come out and say you're open lesbian. And that it leave me to think. Because you don't care about Jamaica? You don't care about Jamaica? You care about yourself? You just care about money and opportunity alone and you don't care about Jamaica? How can you get to perform on the Grammy 2026, the starting of the year? Me not see one Jamaica flag drop down in the back drop. Me not see in the drum set one Jamaica flag. Me not see you even take out one of the Jamaica kerchief like an elephant them would have do. Charlie blacks them down to Sean Paul when Sean Paul go for him Grammy. When you go back and look, Sean Paul have a jacket and Sean Paul make sure put the Jamaica flag right here so. Right here so. On the white jacket where you can see it. Oh, you go do something for Jamaica. First thing when you go up, you go sing a rhythm and blues or jazz. That ain't no reggae. That not you that help none at all. That not help our culture. That not help Jamaica. That not do nothing for we. Remember them ask Shabba, I think if you go up on Grammy or BET Awards already, you know. And Shabba said if me now go with Junior Demos, Patra, and the people them and go do what him want do on the stage, him now go. Only two licky and love say yes to every blood clot thing. Kind of frightened and that's why we industry a crumble. That's why we industry a crumble. Uno say yes to everything we want to frighten for. Uno not set no standard. Uno not set no standard. Uno not have no say in what go on in the career on the big level. Why you couldn't tell them, say, listen me now wear that frill dress there. Me now wear that coat there, that's not me. Me now cream out my ear, because I know my style that. That's why I have to respect Lauryn Hill. That's why I have to respect Lauryn Hill. I have to respect Lauryn Hill. Them did want Lauryn Hill dash through her belly. When Lauryn Hill have the biggest album to come drop, them say Lauryn Hill cannot do it when you're pregnant, dash through the belly. And what Lauryn write a song say the joy of our world is in Zion. And do the video with her belly. And have her picnic. And get 7 Grammy. For the same album. And every song on the album, it go #1. Why you so licky and so submissive? What the problem? Why you make the people them put you out there looking like that? And nobody in your team. Nobody in your team can say you not really know what going on. Nobody in your team couldn't say, Lila Iké, nah man. We nah do this, man. We nah do this. Better this pass, we know. We need one of your songs them to sing. We need to protest the image of Jamaica or the Caribbean. Nothing about Lila Iké or her performance not say Caribbean. Nothing. Not a fucking thing. Me disappointed. Me hurt. It's an embarrassment to us, Lila. So 2 things that now when me have your final. 2 things that now when me have your final. And guess what? I care 0 who you want to have in your corner. Me not care about the little Muslim Jew man or Arab man where I get to in the big league. Because I know what go on. Zine, and you must get to the deal and thing. You can't. Want to you not here where you love. Want to your whole year. And that you call sell out. That you call sell out. Where you going in that address there? With that big old fur coat. Me know it. Alright. Me gotta be honest with you, Lila. You know, so when you perform, I could have tell. Say you're not happy. You sing good. Zine, you sing good, you sing. I can't take that from you. Vocally, you're one of the baddest. Zine, you can sing, little girl. You have a bad voice, but you're not a moral values. You're not a embarrassment. I'm on every time you think to sell way out. You hear my fucking voice in your head. I say, look, sell out, girl. Do the right bomb cloth thing. More you hear my voice in your head. I rib it and I go round in your ears. More you remember my voice. All if me dead and ants near me. And near my bone and my flesh them and me disappear. My voice feel ring in your head. So yeah, fuck up, little girl. And the man them around here some bitch. Remember me don't know who they around here, but me not care. And any man who want vex cause suck on the mama. You don't have the girl at the be a wrong thing. And as man, you don't know if you guide the girl in the right way. You don't know guide the girl in the right way. Decision making is one of the biggest things in an artist's career. I want to make the girl at the be a fuck with that. Then don't say she have a little issue already, and that we are the help on. If you don't know she have a little issue then, there must be people around her who can make solid decision. And if you don't love the culture before yourself, me not like you, you know. If you don't love the culture before yourself, me not like you. We have to think about the personal gain after we think about the culture first. Other than that, me can't like you, me can't rate you.
Foota the baddest. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the truth. The culture come first. Me not care. Let me hear someone. So as I said before, that are the reason why I never want Lila Iké win nothing. Because I don't want them do it with coffee already, you know. Put coffee as the face of reggae. And then coffee shake up the thing. So they want to make it look like, okay, reggae is about that lifestyle. See? Lila Iké, if she didn't win the Grammy, the LGBTQ community would have a field day saying reggae gone to the aquarium. So I'm glad so she never get it. I mean, I come be politically correct. I don't care who vex. Me glad Lila Iké not get the Grammy. And she got perform on the Grammy and embarrass me. Because nothing of what she did represents Jamaica or the Caribbean. She was representing Harlem. She was representing the Apollo. She was representing American lifestyle. She was representing Patti LaBelle, Diana Ross. Them people that Shaka Khan them she represent. Not even her look or image, nothing representing the Caribbean or Jamaica. So Lila Iké, you could take that performance and shove it. You can throw that performance then in the garbage pan. You're not even sing one of your songs. No make no sense. That could have stayed. You to name Marty Moore, I'm going to be honest, I've never heard one of his songs. I don't know him. I hear him name a couple times. I've never went to listen to his songs, so I don't know. Vybz Kartel now. Honestly, true me not care about Grammy. Me never business why I'm nominated for. Because I couldn't have an album where it makes sense to get nominated in the first place. Because Vybz Kartel come a one song play, God is the greatest. No more. Zine? So when them say Kartel album nominated for Grammy, I'm like, oh yeah, here we go again. Nah, makes sense. Zine? But as me know Grammy is a cook-up thing and people put to them on put on it. So it never mean nothing to me. Me still glad Kartel never get the Grammy. Based on him fans them and all them would come shit from people. Jessie Royale, me don't want to get the Grammy. Him not get it. Keznamdi get the Grammy. I don't have no problem with that. Zine? Keznamdi getting the Grammy is not a bad thing for me. He was just not my favorite to get it. Jessie was my favorite out of the group. Anyway, Keznamdi is a youth where, yes, him born Uptown. Of course, yes, he say him a mulatto. Him have white in him blood, just like Bob Marley, just like gang them, just them a mulatto. That now nothing to do with it, you know. Jamaica is a society where build up half of mulattoes to down there, French used to down there, all of them things there. See? So you know, so you have the French, the British, breed up woman of Jamaica, whatever, and it goes on and on. That's the reason why I talk about. Want to see how Keznamdi carry himself? I'm asking the first. Keznamdi represent Rasta, Zine, as a mixed race youth. Zine, you see how him carry himself? You see him outfit? Only did see Keznamdi outfit? The youth named Sugar J from Harlem. Designed for Cameron, Fat Joe, Busta Rhymes, Flip Star, big designer. Him you see in the Harlem World. Me set up a group named Harlem World. Sugar J was a part of Harlem World. Him not boss big as an artist. Him a designer. You see me? And him a the Harlem designer where run the place now. See? And him build Keznamdi clothes. See? He's a Yankee youth build Keznamdi clothes. But obviously, Keznamdi directed him on what the outfit should be. Yes, he said the outfit is royal. The outfit have the Rasta vibration to it. The emblem them and the something them. You understand what I say? Very militant. Very militant. And most of all, what Keznamdi said when he go up there in his speech, he never tried twang, he never tried articulate himself different. You understand me I say? Him go up there and him talk Jamaica and him talk patois, him big up Rastafari, him deal with it. Him deal with it. And if you listen to music, him have born corruption straight. Him kind of have a Junior Gang sound. So you know, said Junior Gang a big influence to a lot of these Uptown Rasta. If you ask me, 90% of them Uptown Rasta yeah, live in a Junior Gang style. And in a Junior Gang farm at them DJ right through. Because I even for them inspiration. Out of the whole of the Mali them, I think gang is the whole crapper up to from Proto J to Jessie to Kabaka to Keznamdi to all of them. Them DJ in a gang style. It's just the truth. You understand me I say? So even our artist there, when they do the song with Popcorn, man, what's his name again? Our Rasta Bridging the man. What's his name again? I can't remember the man's name, man. The whole of them DJ in a gang pattern and flow. And we can't deny that. And him a feed them inspiration. And him a the Uptown youth them inspiration. Royale. If you listen to Royale, you notice him sound like gang and going a little Bob Marley tone. You understand what I say? So, a gang of them inspiration. And if you notice Keznamdi, him a move just like gang. In a gang vibration. And we have to be grateful for that. Because Uptown was always unanimously separated from the street. You understand? So if we have a junior gang, we can influence them liar and Dr. Pickney to want to Rastafari and want to push righteousness. We have to rate that. You understand what I say? Yeah. So, me alright with Keznamdi winning the Grammy. You understand what I say? And me really respect how he present himself when he win. And him not go up there not too much long chatting neither. And him go up there with him friend them and him say what he must say. And him make sure incorporate righteousness and Rastafari. And then he makes it the stage. Well militant, well clean, well everything. And some people say them don't know about Keznamdi. I know about Keznamdi long time. I jack your brother-in-law. I go all up at them yard already. I go to them yard, go hold vibes and drink alcohol, sip and thing. Me and Jackie read apart. And go up there and I hope that's the first place I see Chronics. Because a Chronics brother-in-law to no one don't know. I Jackie your brother-in-law and a Chronics brother-in-law. You understand? And them youth there can ban Uptown. Because remember, you know, enough of the Uptown Rasta them not really understand the Rasta thing to the fullest, you know. But you still have to give them props to even want use righteousness as a ways and means of breaking themselves into the music. You understand? Because them could have got the slack way, you see me? Them could have got the nasty way. You understand what I say? Yeah, because remember, say, Sean Paul is a big Uptown influence too, you know. Daniel, them a big Uptown influence. But them youth choose to run with gang style and hold a righteous mission. Although we know say some of them not righteous and some of them not. Them just do it because of the click and of the movement. You understand what I say? Sean Stone love, big up yourself. So what I say is we have to still respect the fact say them youth here come from good background, come from money, come from everything. They could have done anything they want. But them choose to go with the Rastafari. So we still have to give them a little grace for one of the righteous. Because if you ask me, our new breed of dancehall artists them, at them I work for the devil, you know. Our new breed of dancehall artists them, at them I work for Satan, you know. Them Uptown Rasta youth here, all when them are freak and them this and them that in them personal life. Everything when them put out musically, you know. And righteousness. Our ghetto youth, them we're supposed to know better. We're born in a ghetto. We're a ghetto youth. We come from TG, Jungle Rima, Southside, Spoiler, St. Thomas, Portland, Westmoreland, Mobile. And be a nastiness them a sing. A Satan them a promote. A homosexuality them a promote and incest and all kind of thing. From there be a body play in the ear them a deal with. And how much girl can come out attack. How much of them artists boy I love them body play with. So the Uptown youth them are all more meds than the ghetto youth them, to be honest. The ghetto youth them lose it. Them tongue stiffer than them hood.